Continuing on in our series, Manychat in 2 minutes. A popular question: is Manychat expensive? You're not going to want to hear this, but it depends. First, you should know that Manychat has 3 plans: Free, Pro, and Elite. Free as well, no money down or nothing. Simply sign up and start using Manychat fast and easy. The catch: features are quite limited or not available, can't access all channels, and you can only engage with up to 1,000 contacts. Hit that limit and it'll stop working until you upgrade. Speaking of, let me skip for a moment to the last plan, Elite. This is one of those plans that they want you to contact them for an estimate. It includes features like priority support, guided experience, and more. Let me just say, I never called to get a quote. And my personal favorite plan, Pro. This plan starts at $15 a month. This is the plan I suggest everyone use to access unlimited contacts and several specific features. And yes, I said starts at. Pro plan is a tiered pricing structure. The more contacts you have, the higher the bill. You'll start at $15, but when you reach 500 contacts, it'll rise to $25. Each tier has a max total of contacts set for a specific price. So, is Manychat expensive? Yes, no, kinda. I'll say this: there are alternatives to Manychat with much better prices, but I have not come across an automated messaging platform that has more features than it does. Not even close. I hope this answers your question. By the way, since you're interested in Manychat, I have something I know you're going to love, and it's free. Check out my 3-in-1 Manychat freebie that'll help you improve your current Manychat setup and increase your conversions. You'll get access to 50 suggested keywords that are proven to be used more with less incidental DM triggers. No more apologizing for messages your chatbot accidentally sent. And how about 100 call to action specifically focused to entice more viewers to comment those suggested keywords and receive your automated messages? Last, a few effective strategies and tips that'll provide deeper insight on how to make your Manychat automations better for you and your leads. To get the 3-in-1 Manychat freebie, you can do one of the following. 1. Scan this QR code on the screen. Or 2. Visit the link on my YouTube channel to get access to everything I listed. This is your opportunity to begin working smarter, not harder, with Manychat and DM automation. Get your freebie now.